For loops are useful for a number of different things, and so I wanted to introduce the for loop and show you why that can be useful. So I've created a simple for loop here, and we'll set it so that it will run from 1 to 3. When we run this, the for loop will set the value of I equal to 1, and then it will continue through here. Once it's inside the loop, it'll do some work. Here I'm just using it to print out a value to the immediate window so we can see what those values are. When it comes down to the next statement, then what will happen is I will be incremented up to the next value. So since I starts at 1, when we go down here and hit the next I will be changed from 1 to a 2, and then we'll go up here and we'll still not have exceeded 3 yet. So we will jump inside here and then come down here, and then I will be changed to 3. We'll have not have exceeded 3 yet, and so it'll print out to the number 3 to the immediate room, and then I will be changed to 4. At that point then, since 4 exceeds this terminal value, then the for loop will stop and jump outside the for loop, and I just got it set up so that in the immediate windows it'll show you what the value is when the loop stopped. And so if we run this now, it went through 1, 2, 3, so I became 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then inside the loop it printed out the value of I, and then it says stop when I will equal 4. So when I was finally set to 4, it was no longer within this value, and then it jumped down here and printed this value out. Now I loops do not need to just start at 1. They may start at a variety of different things, and that can be very useful. So for example, very simply, if I wanted to change it from 4 to 8 up here and erase the contents of my immediate window and run this little process, then what will happen is it will go from 4 to 8, which is what was expected, and then when I became 9, then it jumped out of the loop, and this little line of code showed us that it stopped when I equals 9.